Um, Hi guys, it's been a while. But I'm back, and we're starting out with Minecraft on the channel. So yeah, that's nice. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, we're gonna start a solo Minecraft series. So I hope you do enjoy. And if you at some point want to see like a multiplayer Minecraft series, and let me know. And if this video does good, then I'll do an episode 2. Alright, so we spawn in like a jungle biome. Oh, there's a cave right there too. Alright, not bad. We can live like amongst the trees, you know. Whoa, okay. That Enderman just popped up and we're just like, how's it going? Alright. What? I didn't look at you! Stop. Stop. Please, be good. Be nice to me? Oh, okay. Alright. Got our stuff back now. There's a ship right here. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit more wood and then I'll see you guys then. Music. Oh, I gotta go tell my siblings to turn down the volume. What the heck? Turn down the TV! Well, we fixed that problem. Alright, so, let's go. I already see iron. Bet. Alright, let's grab this crafting table. Let's take it down there. Oh, this is actually a sick cave. Maybe for like the first, more iron. Okay, there's plenty of iron. Cave is pretty nice. We could actually potentially live in here, to be completely honest. Like, it wouldn't be a bad idea. And now we got ourselves some iron right off the bat. And might I say lots of iron, because holy moly, there's a whole bunch just spread out everywhere here. Dang, we already have 18 iron, and she's just right off the bat too. That's great. Mining away. Let's put some torches down in here. Bet. This is such a pretty place right here. Just like the vines and everything. And it goes back pretty far too. This would not... Yeah, I think I'm gonna live here, to be completely honest. Two iron so far. I'm not being very patient with this. Let's make an axe real quick and maybe get some wood. See what we can do with the place around here. Okay, I'm gonna work on this house. And once I've got something good and laid out, I'll probably see you guys then. Alright, I got something like here for the majority of the house. You know, I'm gonna put like some sort of window right here. Oh, I gotta like fill the floor again. We got something done with the like front of where the house is gonna be. We'll just have to clean up inside here and everything, and then it should be looking kind of good. I'm only at 2 longer, so I'm gonna go find some. But I'm starving to death. Well, guys, we're about to die of hunger. Goodbye. The game just decided not to kill me. It's a miracle. The game didn't kill me. You know, I'm just gonna die anyway, because then I'll have hunger. Whee! And we're back. Nothing ever happened. Dang, looking kind of fancy. Alright guys, so I just heard a parrot, and I got some seeds. So instead of making a farm like the smart thing to do, we're gonna get a pet in the first episode. Oh, there it is. And it's got a sheep right there. Okay, would you like some seeds? It's one of the rainbow parrots too, which is nice. Accept me, please. Yes, I have a parrot. Alright guys, this is our parrot. Comment down below what we should name him, because we probably have plenty of, you guys will probably think of some pretty good names. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what we should name this awesome rainbow parrot. Parrot sometimes sounds like a creeper, and it's so annoying. Oh yes, beautiful Minecraft. Look at the view. Honestly, it's just so pretty. Hey guys, look, I found some melons.
The last melon.
We got melons now. Yay. I'm a little lost, so okay, I am really lost. Okay guys, I am super duper lost now, but I mean, at least we can enjoy the sunset, right? But yeah, I'm lost now. I don't know what to do. I don't really want to like lose that spot, because that spot would have been a really cool house. Oh my gosh, I've been looking for the house for like 30 minutes now, and I finally found it. Yes, home sweet home. Let's go. Our parrot's still here and everything. Everything's looking good right now. It's not bad. Alright guys, so this is what I did for the house. We got everything set up and stuff, and we got the furnace stuff right there, and we got this, yeah, we got a chest, and we really just have like the beginning of it. But yeah, that's gonna have to be all for the episode. So yeah, if you guys liked it, then I'll do another one. But yeah, guys, we have a problem. So a creeper sort of kind of came in and decided it was okay to blow up everything, and if you can tell by the feathers, my parrot blew up. Alright guys, let's go bury him. Hey guys, let's bury it. There we go, there's the chest. Now let's put his feathers in here. Goodbye, Mr. Unnamed Parrot. Anyways.
Incoming!
Oh my gosh!